Look at that. Oh my god, come. Unbox this package. Hello everyone, my name is Mallika Boobna and welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are back with yet another vlog because you guys are showing me so much love for vlogs, so that's what we're gonna get. Today I got two good news. When I woke up with this parcel, and who doesn't like delivery, especially a Zara delivery. So I'm gonna do a mini Zara haul today with you guys. It's not a lot of clothes, but anything is better. And then my best friend 𝗕𝗓𝗢𝗪, if you're watching this, she called and she was supposed to be here. Quick story time, quick. She was supposed to be here 3 days ago because it was her father's 50th birthday yesterday. However, when I called her when I came to Patna, she said that she tested positive, like all of a sudden. And I'm like, oh my god, but then she did have a ticket to come on Monday, just in case if she tests negative, like after like 3 or 4 days. Turns out that did not happen, and she was still positive until this morning, and the birthday was yesterday. So I called her this morning to ask her how she was feeling and blah blah blah, and then she goes that she tested negative, and I'm like, oh my god, like thank god, like come. She was supposed to come this evening because she tested negative in the morning. However, for security reasons and stuff, we said like do a RT-PCR and then come tomorrow morning. So we are gonna be picking her up at 6:30 a.m. I did not wake up that early, but anything to see her after so long. It's been years, a year and a half. It's been a long time, and I've known her since I was a child. I'm gonna insert a picture right here so you guys know.
Guys, quickly comment down below who's wearing which color dress, red or white.
Yes, I'm very excited to meet her and introduce you all to her. But let's start with the haul. So let's unbox, what is it called? Let's unbox this package, whatever. This is the first thing I ordered as soon as I came, because it turns out that, again, I told this in my previous vlog. If you haven't watched it yet, it's about a makeup vlog, but I've given an update. 𝗟𝗘𝗧 was supposed to get my cabin luggage, which I very conveniently left at the Heathrow airport, and they did not give it to him because the office was closed. So basically my clothes, all the gifts I got for everyone, everything is in that luggage, which still is sitting at the Heathrow airport. So we need clothes, that's why we are shopping. So let me just open it. There we have it. Take this off. Okay, I don't even remember what I ordered anymore. It's been like a week. Okay, so basically I have gotten a lot of these Colourful Pants from home in London. So I ordered this satin white crop top with a very cute thing, so I can tie it around my waist, and that just gives me a cinch waist. You look very good on like a very colorful pant or like tight jeans. Not tight jeans, sorry, loose straight jeans. Then I ordered a very basic white crop top. I had this, however I did not know how to wash it, and this became green, and so I had to order a new one. So here it is. Very basic, very comfortable, very summer-like. I am in love with white, as you can tell. I love white and black, but especially white, so I prefer getting a lot of white clothes. Again, because I'm a very clumsy person, so I stain my white clothes very easily, so I need to buy more. The last thing I got is this very nice pant. This is again high waist, and again cinches your waist because of these things. I have this in white, and I really wanted one in black because it's a very nice summer wear. It's ankle length, so it's not that long, and it's high waisted, so if I wear like a small crop top like this one, it looks really hot. I think I just stained it with my lipstick right now. It's new. I stained it with my lipstick right now. That's how clumsy I am, everyone. That's whatever. So yeah, that's all I got from Zara. And I have this thing about myself that whenever I get something new, be it shoes, sunglasses, tops, pants, I need to wear it the other day because it's new and I want to see how it looks, and I just want to wear it. A lot of people are like, they want like safe clothes for like events and parties, but me, like, no, I need to wear it like that instant. But yes guys, that's my Zara haul. I'll see you tomorrow when we pick Brinda up. Hey guys, so it's really early in the morning. You guys noticed from my voice, my face, my eyes, everything. I asked the driver to call me 10 minutes before he like comes downstairs, so that because I could not like wake up from alarms because I slept like very late at like 3 a.m. So I told him like, when you come down, like call me 10 minutes before so I could just get ready and come down. He called me half an hour before, and I did not wash my face because I genuinely want to sleep after I come back. And I just changed my outfit and I'm ready in like 2 minutes. And there's still some time to leave. It's 7:30. She's landing at 8 a.m. She left at 6:30. And the airport's like 10 minutes away. And especially when it's morning, like it's going to be 5 minutes away. And if she's landing at 8, she's going to be there by 8:15. So we are just killing time. I have no idea what to do. I have no interest in watching anything or editing this early in the morning. I told you guys everything will be like clear because it's very early. Nobody's up. And I told the driver uncle to drive slow because we have loads and loads of time. I'm gonna give you guys a Patna tour because we're gonna be on the road for a while. Guys, this is the Bihar Museum, which is, I think, the largest museum in all of Asia, which you can't see because it's all spread out. That's Eco Park. It's a massive park where you can just sit down, have multiple snacks to munch on in the evening, and it's packed with people. You would not see it this like empty or vacant ever, but since it's so early, not a lot of people are here for morning walks and stuff. This is the airport road, you guys. It's where all the big shots live, and the roads are clean and nice. It's like the best road there is in Patna. So we're waiting outside the airport. The airport is just right there, but they don't let us wait inside, and she just landed. So we're gonna wait for her taxi and then we're gonna go inside and finally meet her. Look what my t-shirt reads like unexpectedly today. I'm gonna be productive today, but I need a nap, which is so true. Okay, where is she? Brinda, Panka, where are you? There she is! Look at that! Oh my god, come. How are you? This is how my building looks like, and whenever I enter, this is the first thing I see. This is the mandir where we pray. So I just bow down, close my eyes, then head home, and that's something I do religiously every single day. So just wanted to show you what I do whenever I enter this building. Let's go home. Hey guys, so I forgot to vlog after she came in and she hugged me, and then we just started talking. I've seen her after like so long that I just forgot about the entire thing. However, I'm seeing her in the evening, so I'm gonna see you then. But thank you so much for coming along with me to pick her up. I am feeling so good to see her after such a long time and to be able to spend time before she has to leave again. But yes, I will see you very soon. I'm gonna go to sleep now. We need a nap, you all. See you. Hey guys, so I'm back. It is 1:30 p.m. currently. I woke up literally 10 minutes ago. And now I'm all set to do some work in the bank. I have to just go and get something sorted.
A few hours later.
Do you guys know what heaven looks like? Exactly this. So Domino's in London, again, sucks. And they don't have this. They have garlic bread, which looks like a pizza instead of like garlic breadsticks. And this is supremacy, guys. Like, this is supreme. And you only get this in India. And I am so excited to try this out right now. this is again something I think every Indian can relate to. Oregano from Domino's is lit, and you cannot find this anywhere except Domino's. Are we ready?
This is 𝗪𝗪𝗧 ka mandir, somewhere we come very often, and we have just dropped Ma off and now we are on our way to the shop.
So guys, now that we have dropped Ma off to the mandir, which is temple, now I'm gonna go to the shop, which is in Boring Road. I have a lot of pants which I got from London which need some alteration. So I'm gonna get that done in the shop, and then Vrinda lives nearby, so I'm gonna pick her up and then we're gonna be heading home. So stay tuned, I'll see you at the shop. Guys, so we have just picked Vrinda up and she hasn't slept all day and she still has work to do and she's gonna be working. However, I could not film in the shop because there was no light, so we're gonna do that tomorrow. However, I found treasure. I found a lot of blue lace because there was no blue lace in any shops which are near my house, and I was like, did they stop like making it or what? But I found a lot of blue lace and I've stocked up, so that's our midnight snack. And yes, that's the update. We're gonna go home right now and then start working on our laptops till we get free, and then we'll see you then. Bye. Back on the same page. Let's get back together. तूने अपना reason दिया कि भाई मेरा अब नहीं बनता.
A few minutes later.